Hello YouTube, iFixItAll here, Team iFixItAll. This is a DIY water jug. Save a milk jug back. Take your cap off, save it. Go ahead and give yourself substantial amounts of holes. And then get yourself a rubber hose. Yeah. And it has to go through the handle. This hose is only like maybe 9 or so inches long. Feed it through the handle. You could probably come across a different style hose, but it's got to be something that when you make the hole, get you a small punch like the one I just stabbed myself with to start the hole, and then step up to a larger punch that's somewhat tapered, and you want to kind of egg the hole out, but keeping in mind you want that hole to be small enough to where when you insert this hose, there's a pretty decent seal around it. I'll push that down a little bit more, and you'll see that that hose is occupying the handle area. The idea is that when you tilt the jug, you're always sucking in oxygen. Where'd that water come from? I've got a leak, I think. Hang on. No, I don't know. What the heck is going on here? Okay, well, maybe my jug is failing a little bit. Put the cap on. You see what's going on here. Huh, interesting. Let's take it outside and try it out. Alrighty. What you're looking for is something that's free and usually becomes landfill stuff. Just see if it continues pouring. Because a lot of times when people try this, they have to do this to reoxygenate the jug. There's quite a bit of water in there. But notice it's not fighting for air because it's siphoning it up through that little hose. And of course there's an airplane, so that works pretty good. There you go. That's all we wanted to show. See ya.